Hello, this is Sam with Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Breville Oracle Espresso machine. The customer reported an issue of the filter basket getting stuck in the machine every time they removed the portafilter, which is this part. The inner part of the portafilter, the basket would get stuck and stay inside the machine. We investigated this issue and we found that the reason it was getting stuck is because this inner disc was cracked and pushing out on the filter basket. One of the main reasons that this happens is due to over tightening of the portafilter. So when you're tightening the portafilter, it's just very important to make sure you don't go past the arrow here. You can see the arrow right there. You just want to make sure you don't go past that, because if you get it too tight, it'll crack it again. So now let's go ahead and test the machine. The coffee in here is kind of old, so it's probably going to pour fast. But you actually still get a pretty good amount of crema for coffee that's old. And then let's just go ahead and remove it. You can see the filter basket is still on the portafilter, and it's working as it's supposed to. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our video below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.